In this instructional video, we will show you how to use the Beaded Plank tool in your presenter file. You can use the tool as soon as the cursor is active. Look at the image on the left and copy it on the right by drawing it. Activate a colour at the bottom and select an empty dot. Click on the dot again to erase the colour. You can select and colour multiple dots by dragging over the dots. Click on Check to confirm which dots have been filled out correctly and which ones have not. Click on the button again to turn off this feature. You can also slide the curtain up to partially cover the field so you can focus better and get a better overview on where you are. In the Settings menu, you can change the size of the plank and adjust the direction in which you slide the curtain. Here you can also indicate whether or not you want to have numbers visible in the field. These numbers can help in placing the dots in the correct row more easily. Close the menu by clicking on the Settings button again next to the menu. Click on Reset to clear the field. You can go through the images and choose a different one with the arrows. Would you like more information about one of these tools? Click on the Information button. You are now set to use the tool Beaded Plank. Open Presenter and get going.